Hey everyone, welcome back. Jack here. So today I want to say something about an opportunity that's come up that is going to allow me to make a lot more videos all about kind of horticulture and landscaping. So I've been working as a nurse for the last 4.5 years at my local hospital. I've been a cancer nurse, and I've decided that I'm going to leave that profession, and I wanted to do something new and something that I hadn't done before, um, outside. And what I decided to do was actually go and interview for an apprenticeship. So I went for an interview this morning for a apprenticeship in horticulture and landscaping with a local company to me. So it's in Devon, and that's in England. um, for those of you who are abroad. And basically, I went for this interview. It's horticulture and landscaping, like I said, and I actually got the job. So that will mean from the 22nd of April, I'll be working under a company that basically maintains lots of different types of gardens, and all the way from kind of big 16-acre manors all the way down to kind of small private gardens. And I'll have opportunities to do videos on all sorts of topics relating to horticulture. So if you're interested in that sort of information, and you want to see it being put into practice, all the theory, then I would probably subscribe to my channel. And over the summer, we probably will be putting out videos, well, possibly even daily, about different things that I'm doing and explaining why I'm doing them and how you can apply that to your garden. Um, so that's my news, and I hope it means that this channel can grow even more. I obviously am doing the beekeeping series this year, so check that out if you're interested in finding out more about bees and how to look after them. And then I'll have a second series running all about kind of horticulture, so check back throughout the summer to find out more. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.